What's up guys? Today we're back in another video, and today's a little different. And we're gonna be playing Animal Company again. I know we've been playing Animal Company more than Gorilla Tag in the comments. So tomorrow I'll make a video about Gorilla Tag. Promise. And this video, I have ourselves a little gorilla to enjoy the game with us. Animal Company. And you better be in this video until the end. I will show you him at the end of the video. And first up, let's just go in Animal Company. Into Animal Company. This video is going to be like 2 minutes. Not that long. But it's just what it is. Okay, we're in this, and we're going to get what's his name? I want to get Angler Spawn real quick. I don't have my flashlight. I don't know what I did to my flashlight. So, or we can just explore in the rock cave. Let's explore in the rock cave real quick. No, actually, let's go to chicken. Alright. Let's kill chicken real quick. We have no ammo, but this could work. We have to put the revolver in the backpack. And we have to. There's a crate over there too. Okay, I didn't know that was actually gonna happen. I didn't know that was actually gonna happen. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. I'll make him change his mind after. Why is he doing this? Let me just hit this. Yo, look at that. Why is he doing this? I literally just got him. Yo, revolver ammo. The whole reason behind this is just killing chicken. But when we're at it, let's just open this crate and see what we get. I'm hoping not a bomb. Yo, another revolver. No, you have to be serious right now. A new item. And we have a tarp. And that's the end of the video. Yeah, guys, so that's all we were just doing. Is just going to chicken and just annoying him and killing him with snowballs. And without this, we can just go and explore in the rock cave, see what we can find. There's obviously nothing but a banana. That's all. Alright, now let's just go to spawn and sell this whoopee cushion. What a rock monster seeing me. Wait, he saw me. We can just bring him to spawn. Yeah, let's bring Rock Monster to spawn. Let's bring him to spawn real quick. Cause that was so close. Alright. We just killed Rock Monster. We got another one. Oh. That. A cluster grenade. Another. Whatever these are called. Comment down below what these are called. I forgot the name. Now let's just sell this whoopee cushion. I have 2 revolvers. I have 2 revolvers. And I'll give them away in the lobby. Not now, but I could. But I'm just going to keep them. We made out of that whoopee cushion is $48. And altogether we have $55. And in a lobby, I'll give away a backpack. What's this? I'll give away a backpack. Let's just give away a backpack. Yeah, let's just give away a backpack in the lobby. Let's join a random lobby. Wait, no, we have to join a no PvP. See if it works. Who wants a free backpack? Who wants a free backpack?
Booyah! Me. Booyah! Absolutely.
Who said me? Who said me?
Me. I did.
Here, bro.
Break it. Break that crate open. Break that crate open, bro.
You want a backpack?
Wait,
who wants a backpack?
Who wanted this backpack? Who wanted this backpack?
Who wants this backpack? Who wants this backpack?
Me.
Who gives me rocket launcher ammo? I'll protect you. I'll protect you if you give me rocket launcher ammo, bro.
Catch it.
If you give me rocket launcher ammo, I'll protect you.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys. I'll see you in next
But
lobby.
can you give me
Give me
your
rocket
crossbow?
launcher ammo, I'll protect you.
Not what's in it? Just the crossbow.
Here, buddy.
From Monster.
I'll see you
Thank you.
tomorrow. Alright, so guys, we just gave away some items, a crossbow and a backpack. And don't ask why my fit looks like this because I just changed my fit real quick. But I'm gonna change it back to normal. Okay. Phase actus. My normal fit. Spawned. Alright, so we just did it. And now we're just gonna be showing you my plush after the video. What do you have to say, Mr. Plushie? Like and subscribe. Oh, he just said like and subscribe. Or was monkey? Or I'll stick this hand up your nose. Okay. Alright, guys. So you just heard the monkey say, if you don't subscribe, he'll stick his hand up your nose. So better do that now, or this will happen second round. And I'll throw a snowball in the landmine. If you were just stuck in the landmine, this will happen. Wait, it won't work? Wait, I did before in my video. Yep, that's what will happen. And bye-bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Oh my god, why are my hands going? Okay, bye-bye, guys.